and bring a little bit more color into it by sharing my top 10 favorite plants from my garden. So let's get on it. Number 10. Okay, so number 10 in my place of 1 to 10, I'm going to bring out Philodendron Neon. Okay, the reason why I brought this to top 10 and it's in the 10th place is because of its color and how it looks. Because like some plants are all green or all like very lightish greenish, but this one is very different. You can see there's a little bit of yellowish neon colors and it's just pretty. Let me stand up to show you a little bit more closer. The colors are in different various. Some are yellow, some are lightish yellow, some are greenish yellow. And the pattern of the leaves are very beautiful as well. So that's why I put it at my 10th place. This is one of my favorites though. The leaves also looks like heart shapes, which also makes it much more better. This is also a very easy plant to take care of. And there's also one more. There's a variegated leaf, if you can see it. There's like a dark green strip in like the side of the greenish leaf. I like it. It's quite nice, different from all the plants. This is actually a very easy plant to take care of. It's an indoor plant and I always I always water it twice in a week, if I'm correct. It brings a lot of color to your house. So I really like this very much. So this is my Philodendron Neon. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, the next one is my 9th place, which is my ZZ plant. Let me grab it over here real quick. This is my ZZ plant right here. Look how beautiful it is. Look the color. It's so beautiful. It is also an indoor plant. Oh, I love the color, especially when it's normal green. Okay, so you can see that it's very shiny. The leaves are much more shinier. Let me bring it up a little bit. You can see that the leaves are very shiny. It's like rubber sort texture. This is an indoor plant. I keep this in my room. It's like very pretty. The colors are very dark, bold in my room. And well, I water this once a week. And yeah, this is my ZZ plant. Number 8. At my 8th position, we have my spider plant right here. Look how beautiful this is. This looks legit like spiders and it's creeping me out because I hate spiders, but still the plant looks so beautiful. Look at the lining of the green leaves. There's white strips in between it. It looks like a spider with lots of legs. And it's so poofy, nice colored. The colors are very bright though. So this is an indoor plant. You can put this in any lighted area. It just needs a lot of light. So look how poofy green and nice it is. That's why I put this on my 8th place, just because it looks super nice, poofy. And I love the little spiders dangling right here. Look how beautiful this is. It's just dangling from one string. Let me try to take one off. Let me show you. I can't. Never mind. Okay, so this is like how it is, like 3 lines and 1 connected. That's cute. So this is my spider plant. 7. In my 7th position right now, I have my Syndexis pictus. The name is quite a tongue twister to say, but okay. If you look at its leaf, let me see. It has glittery silver colored patterns on it. I really like that. It's quite a treat. Let me show you a little bit more. This also has a rubbery texture like the ZZ plant, and this is an indoor plant as well. So watering for this is very different because this does not have like a particular time. You just need to touch the soil and see if it's damp. If it's not damp, then you have to water it. If it's damp, then you can leave it because this doesn't acquire that much of water. And yeah, this grows in normal lighting as well, so you can put it anywhere in your room, outside, living hall, anywhere. This would grow perfectly fine, and this is a very easy plant to take care of. So this is my Syndexis pictus. 6. Next plant we have is on the 6th position, and we have our variegated Dicentra Onenta. This is a very beautiful plant. You can see right here. Okay, I'm gonna hold it right this way so you can see. It looks so beautiful. beautiful, like so many things dangling, just so many leaves dangling from one string, which is very beautiful. Looks like raindrops in my opinion. Look at how beautiful the color is. There's just there's a green with white stripes on the sides. That looks so just pretty. Again, this is also another type of watering. Like it does not have specific timing or specific like when you're supposed to water it. You're just supposed to touch the soil again and see if it's wet or not and water it. So yeah. And I just love this plant as well. So this is my Dicentra ornata. Fifth position right here we have my Chinese evergreen. The direct attention to the leaves. Look at how pretty they are. Look at the color just vanishing, like the green, the pink is taking over the green. I love it. My favorite color is pink as well, so this is one of my particular favorites. One thing about Chinese evergreen right here, it's an easy plant to take care. It's an indoor plant, so it pops more color into your room, living hall, main area. So yeah, this is my Chinese evergreen. Okay, on my fourth position right here we have my succulent plant. This is one of my favorites. Look how beautifully it's growing out of the pot. It's much more wider and prettier from last time. It's just poofy. Look at the small green leaves that looks like flowers. I really like that. This is also an indoor plant. This goes on desks and sort. And watering is also similar to all the plants. You just touch the soil. If it's dry, then water it. That's it. So, and look at how green it is as well. So this is my succulent tree. On my third position, we have my Mindstrip rainbow bush. It looks like a tree just got shrunken down by shrink ray. I love that. And look at its leaves as well. Look at how colorful, pinkish color it is. If you look from the side, you can see the tree. I really love this personally. This is also an indoor plant. This also goes on desks and small objects. And this watering thing is also the same. Just touch the soil. If it's dry, then water it. So this is my Mindstrip rainbow bush. Woo. Okay. So on my second position right now is the Petunia pink angel. I really love this plant. Look at it. Look at how pretty it is. From dark green, there's just like pink like veins on it. That's so pretty. This is also an indoor plant. It's very easy to take care. The watering system also goes for the same thing. Touch the soil again and see if it's dry or wet. If it's wet, don't water it. If it's dry, water it. This is also a desk type of plant. I really love this one, and let's go on. Okay, my first place is my purple strings of banana. Look at how resembled it is. It legit looks like banana stringing from purple strings. I really love this. This is just pretty. So this is quite different. Like this is not even a leaf. This is more like a banana just stuck to it. So that's why I chose this as my first place. Look how pretty. I love this. It is purple though. The string is purple. And I love this. It's just pretty. This is also an indoor plant, which I really like. It also like brings out a lot of color. A lot of color in my living room, which I hang it. The systematics go for watering is exactly the same. You touch the soil. If it's dry, water it. If it's not, leave it. It's very easy to take care as well. This needs a little light, so I have to put it